If you're new to AI, stay with me until the end, because what I'm about to show you will change how you work, think, and create, even if you've never touched anything technical in your life. Before we dive in, I want you to watch this video all the way through, because every minute builds on the last. By the end, you'll understand AI in a way that actually matters in your daily life, not in some complicated tech world fantasy. Let's start with the biggest misconception. People think AI is only for tech experts, programmers, or people who already understand complicated systems. But the truth is the opposite. AI is finally at a point where normal people who just want to save time, make life easier, and get things done can use it better than the so-called experts. Why? Because AI today doesn't require technical skill. It requires curiosity. If you can type a sentence, you can use AI. If you can explain what you want, AI can do it. And if you can imagine a result, AI can help you create it. Think about your daily life. You wake up, you check your phone, you go to work or school, you try to stay organized, you try to keep up with everything. Most people feel overwhelmed, not because they're incapable, but because the world moves faster than humans can keep up. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to help you keep up. It's like having a personal assistant who never gets tired, never gets distracted, and never complains. You don't need to know how it works. You just need to know how to ask. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you need to write an email, but you don't know how to phrase it. You can tell AI, write a friendly email asking for an update on my appointment, and it will do it. Or imagine you want to start a side hustle, but don't know where to begin. You can ask AI, give me 3 simple business ideas. I can start this weekend with no money, and it will give you options. Or imagine you're struggling with motivation. You can say, explain how to stay consistent in a way that actually works for normal people, and it will give you a plan. None of this requires coding. None of this requires technical knowledge. It only requires you to ask. Here's the part most people don't realize. AI becomes more powerful when you talk to it like a human. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need special commands. You don't need to sound smart. You just need to be clear about what you want. If you say, help me plan my week so I don't feel stressed, AI will create a schedule. If you say, make this text sound more confident, AI will rewrite it. If you say, explain this like I'm 5, AI will simplify it. You're not using a machine. You're having a conversation. And here's where things get interesting. The more you use AI, the more you start to understand what it can do for you. You begin to see patterns. You begin to see shortcuts. You begin to see opportunities. Suddenly, tasks that used to take hours take minutes. Problems that used to frustrate you become easy. Ideas that felt impossible become doable. You're not becoming more technical. You're becoming more effective. We're about halfway through, so if you're learning something already, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. I make videos that help normal people use AI in ways that actually matter, not in ways that require a computer science degree. Now let's go deeper. One of the most powerful things AI can do for normal people is remove friction. Friction is the thing that stops you from doing what you want. It's the hesitation before starting a project. It's the confusion when you don't know how to begin. It's the frustration when something feels too complicated. AI removes friction by giving you a starting point instantly. You don't need to stare at a blank page. You don't need to guess. You don't need to figure everything out alone. You can ask AI to start the process for you, and then you simply adjust it to fit your style. Another thing AI does is amplify your strengths. If you're good at ideas but bad at writing, AI helps you write. If you're good at planning but bad at organizing, AI helps you organize. If you're good at talking but bad at explaining, AI helps you explain. It doesn't replace your strengths, it multiplies them, and it fills in the gaps where you struggle. Here's the part that surprises most people. AI isn't just for work, it's for life. You can use it to plan meals, create workouts, organize your finances, learn new skills, understand complex topics, or even improve your relationships by helping you communicate better. You can ask AI how to apologize in a sincere way. You can ask AI how to set boundaries. You can ask AI how to stay calm in stressful situations. It's not just a tool, it's a guide. As we reach the end of this video, I want you to understand one thing clearly. AI is not the future, it's the present, and normal people who learn how to use it today will be ahead of everyone who waits. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. And if you've watched this far, I want you to comment below. What's one thing you want AI to help you with? I read every comment, and I respond to as many as I can. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because I'm going to keep making videos that help normal people use AI in powerful, practical ways. The world is changing fast, but with AI, you don't have to fall behind. You can get ahead starting today.